of container services on AWS. With traditional software deployment, you will have hardware or infrastructure that runs an operating system. And on top of that operating system, you will run multiple applications like Python, Node.js, or Ruby. These applications require specific libraries and dependencies to run properly, and that can cause difficult installations or application version conflicts that make scaling your applications challenging. Software deployment using containers provide a standard way to package your application's code, libraries, and dependencies into a single object. With software deployment using containers, you have infrastructure and an operating system, as well as a container engine, like Docker, that share the resources of the underlying operating system with your application, and creates container packages that includes the libraries and dependencies needed for your application to run. This enables you to move your applications across different platforms with ease. This makes containers lightweight, portable, and scalable, which makes containers suitable for use cases like microservices applications, batch jobs, and migrating applications to the cloud. AWS Container Services offer the broadest choice of services to run your containers. You can choose AWS Fargate if you want serverless compute for containers, or Amazon EC2 if you need control over the installation, configuration, and management of your compute environment. You can also choose which container orchestrator to use, either Amazon Elastic Container Service, ECS, or Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service, EKS. AWS Container Services are deeply integrated with AWS by design. This allows your container applications to leverage the breadth and depth of the AWS cloud, providing security and elasticity for your applications. AWS services such as AWS Fargate, Amazon ECS, and Amazon EKS also enable you to run and manage Docker containers at scale. Container management tools can be broken down into three categories: registry, orchestration, and compute. AWS offers services that give you a secure place to store and manage your container images, like Amazon ECR. Orchestration helps you manage when and where your containers run, as well as the flexible compute engines that power your containers, with ECS, EKS, and the Red Hat OpenShift service for AWS. AWS can help manage your containers and their deployments for you, so you don't have to worry about the underlying infrastructure with AWS Fargate or AWS App Runner. Or you can choose to control your own virtual infrastructure with EC2 instances.